In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you straight up 4 practical ways on how you can make money using ChatGPT. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Adeshalami, and more often than not, I talk about how to make money, how to grow your money, and basically how to become financially independent. Now, if that sounds like something you are interested in, you want to make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one. Alright, so make sure you stick around until the very end of this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you one tip that is going to differentiate you from others that are going to be using ChatGPT. Now, let's get right into it. First up, in my previous video, I talked about what ChatGPT is and how you can potentially make thousands of money. But in this video, we are going to go a little bit in depth and become more practical. So if you missed that video, I'm going to put it up right here. You can just go skim to it, scan to it, or whatever it is you want to do. But make sure you watch until the very end. Like I said, ChatGPT is an AI that answers questions in a human-like form, which means in a conversational way. You can simply ask this AI tons of questions from different fields, and it will definitely respond to you in seconds. So the first thing you want to do is to sign up for ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, all you have to do is go to your browser, go to Open AI. You want to click on it, and you want to scroll down to see ChatGPT right here. Try ChatGPT, and yeah, I'm already signed in. It says we are experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please try again. So let me reload this. Now this is what it looks like. And the first thing I'm going to be trying out for you, let's try out one question, and that's going to be how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Let's go. So this basically just answers your questions within a minute. And if you want to stop it from generating, you can stop it here. If you want to ask it and ask another question like how, let's go, how do I code? When you click on enter, you can use this directly on your phone. Mind you, they do not have an application. Try reloading the conversation. So I think their network is currently down, but I can try this question again. Control C, new chat. How do I code? So now it generates my answer. And if I want to stop generating, all I have to click is this stop generating box right here. You can ask it series and tons of questions from any field. Okay, so that is what ChatGPT is. And the one question I also want to show you here is, how do I make money? Let me move my table closer. How to make money with ChatGPT. Okay, and now this is going to generate me a lot of ways to make money using ChatGPT. I'm going to narrow this down to 4, and we're going to be starting from number 4, chat-based education. Now I'm going to take you straight ahead to a website called StudyPool. All you have to do is go to studypool.com. What you basically need to do is answer questions for students, and you can make as high as $75,000 just by answering questions from the comfort of your home. As you can see here, this is Alan Mitch, and he has made $91,000. This is Hamon John, this is Checksmith, this is Jakim, this is Dorime, and these are the popular tutor countries: Canada, Indonesia, Mexico. There is Nigeria here, there's South Africa, there is United States, there is Zambia. So StudyPool is going to pay you just for answering questions. Now you need to note in mind that there is something called plagiarism, which we are going into later in this video. But in 10 minutes, this person has made $5. This person has made $15, $7, $20, $24, and they are answering questions from different fields. So all you have to do is, when you see the question, ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, this is the question I have for you. You ask it, and then it gives you the response. You just have to tweak it a little bit and provide the answer. Now the second one right here is language translation. There are a lot of websites that offer side gigs for language translation, and the good one I found is called guru.com. All you have to do is go to guru.com and sign up for an account. As you can see here, find and hire expert freelancers. You can post a job, but I want to believe if you are watching this video, you need a job. So they offer different services on here, and as you can see, we have writing and translation. I'm going to show you real people that are currently making money via this website. Okay, so let's click on the categories, and you want to go to writing and translation. You want to go to translation and just apply basically. Okay, as you can see, this person has made 348,000 per year. You can equally make this crazy amount of money. All you have to do is find people that are in search for translators, get whatever it is they want to translate, go to ChatGPT, post whatever it is in whatever language it is, and you would translate it. For example, let's go back to ChatGPT right here. Just translate from Yoruba to English. So I'll just go to Google Translate and click on google.com translate. Okay, and then I'll click on from here English. I'm going home. So let's say Yoruba. Right, so I'm going to highlight this, copy, come back here, and I'll click on, I'll enter it. So let's see if this is going to translate it accurately. I am going to the house. So this translates oscillate to I'm going to the house perfectly. So you can definitely use this to translate from different languages. Now the third one here on my list, which is number 2, is summary writing. You want to make sure you stick around until the very last one. There are definitely a lot of people out there that would pay lots of money for you to summarize big textbooks or big scripts for them. Okay, for example, I am going to pay anybody that can summarize whatever it is that I have to read, because I can't read English to save my life. I studied mathematics for 6 years, and I find it very hard to read for a long period of time. My attention span when it comes to reading is -100. Okay, so a very good website where you can leverage on ChatGPT when it comes to summary writing is guru.com. I showed you what guru.com is earlier, so go on there and you can post job there to help people summarize their script, their blog post, or whatever it is they need summary for. There are some websites where they also pay you to watch videos. On this kind of website, you see people saying, okay, we need you to leave a comment, we need you to summarize this video for us in the comment section. Those people that are summarizing what was said in the video are obviously getting paid. So use ChatGPT to get some more coins in your bag. Moving ahead to number 1, which is something I am really excited about, and I absolutely love it. So if you watch up until this end and you found this video of top, please do not forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. So moving ahead to number 1 on my list, which is my absolute favorite, and I really love this one because personally it has helped me ever since I discovered ChatGPT, and it is content creation. You can definitely leverage on ChatGPT if you are a content creator. For example, when I wanted to make this script, all I had to do was go on to ChatGPT and just start thinking about a sentence, asked it a question, and then it gave me some pointers that I later developed a script from. If you're a content creator, this ChatGPT is going to help ease your work. And I want to recommend guru.com because it has to be one of the best websites I have found out recently. There's also Fiverr, there's Upwork. There are tons of websites out there that would help you if you are a freelancer or you're looking to get paid just by sitting at the comfort of your home. So make sure you check out guru.com because it has different categories from programming, from writing, from business, finance, arts, and just different types of categories or fields that you are into. So like I said, Content creation is just the best on my list because you can use it to create script and content. You can use it to create Instagram posts, Twitter posts, Facebook, whatever it is that you are doing. If you are into editing as well, like text editing, you can use ChatGPT, my dear, to create content. Okay, trust me, you can use it to write an entire novel or an entire book. I made a video where I talked about how you can create and verify an Amazon KDP account where you publish your own book. So make sure you watch that video to gain more knowledge on how you can publish your own book if you are going to be leveraging on ChatGPT. Here I've given you 4 practical ways on how you can leverage on ChatGPT. Now, to the bonus point I said I would be sharing with you, or a tip that I said I will be giving you by the end of this video, is going to be about plagiarism. We all know that, okay, I'm using ChatGPT, my sister is using, my brother is using, my friend is using, my neighbor is using. If everybody are on this website, it's gonna crash and we are all going to be having the same answer. Now, the trick to this is by going back into whatever response ChatGPT has given you and tweak it a little bit. So make sure you always read through the generated answers because you want to avoid plagiarism as much as possible. That is what I have been doing ever since I discovered this website. And you are not dumb, okay? I want to believe you are smart and you're not just going to copy whatever it is you see and edit. So you want to and paste. You want to make sure you review properly and edit where necessary, because this is a computer-based program. There are likely to be 1 or 2 errors. Okay, you want to try as much as possible to review the answers, edit it before pasting it somewhere, because you want to try to avoid plagiarism and you don't want to copy the same exact answer that it has given your neighbor. Thank you very much for coming to the end of this video. I hope you found 1 or 2 helpful. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en